मेरा नाम विजेंद्र है। मैं हिसार हरियाणा से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैंने अपनी 12th स्टैंडर्ड कंप्लीट करने के बाद टूकॉम्स कंसल्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के इंडी टैलेंट के प्रोग्राम के तहत मैंने एडमिशन लिया।
As a nurse, I think this opportunity is very useful for me. I started a procedure in 1.5 months. All my process were finished. Many thanks to Alangsha Jean ma'am and Dr. Arathi ma'am for all process.
I can say 100% they are supporting, they are trustworthy, they are reliant, they are really company that you can consult for your career. And currently I have almost done with all the interviews and I have passed. I'm just waiting to write my IELTS and IELTS exam, and I will be in that dream true country that I want to be.